Welcome to Developing Android Apps in Common. In this class, you're going to learn how to make stable and scalable Android applications using best practices and double-tested libraries from Google and the wider Android community. Android development has changed a lot recently. We adopted the Kotlin programming language and launched Android Jetpack. A collection of libraries should build a robust and testable apps. With the new libraries came up data tooling, guidance, and documentation. Android is everywhere. It's already got over 2 billion devices and 24,000 models across the globe. Android runs on phones, tablets, watches, TVs, cars. Heard Rosie was running on Android things. Well, this class teaches advanced techniques. It's a great start for any programmer who wants to begin developing an Android. We expect that you're fluent in the Kotlin program. If not, there is a class for that. A basic understanding of Git and SQL databases is also helpful. You also need a computer that's powerful enough to run Android Studio, which is a development environment for Android. It's not necessary that you created an Android app before. That's what we're here for. If you have written an app before, you might learn a thing or two about Android. We'll take you from zero to app with interactive quizzes and tons of code samples. You'll even meet the legends that have created the Android platform and libraries you'll be using. You'll make an Android app for every lesson by following step-by-step tutorials. All of the opcodes are available for you to download and hack on. By the end of this course, you're going to have a whole portfolio of Android apps to show off. You're also going to have the comprehension of core Android topics that'll allow you to work with Android developers throughout the world. I've been developing Android apps and teaching Android development for almost 10 years, and the combination of Android Studio, Jetpack, and Kotlin combined with the huge reach boundary devices has made this the most exciting time ever to be an Android developer. Alright, let's make some apps. This is Script. I want first introductory video for my Android app course playlist.